How to Lose Weight, written on it. Hello and welcome to our channel, Healthy Guide and Tips. In this video, we'll be discussing how to lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way. Losing weight is not just about cutting calories, it's about creating a healthy lifestyle that you can maintain over the long term. A healthy diet is a crucial part of weight loss. Focus on eating whole, nutrient-dense foods that provide your body with the energy it needs. This includes foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Aim to fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with whole grains or other complex carbohydrates. It's important to avoid processed and high-calorie foods, and be mindful of portion sizes. You can track your calorie intake using a food journal or a mobile app. Exercise is also an important part of weight loss. Regular physical activity can help you burn calories, increase your metabolism. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, such as brisk walking or cycling, and incorporate strength training exercises to help build muscle mass. In addition to healthy eating and regular exercise, it's important to prioritize getting enough sleep, managing stress, and staying hydrated. These factors can all impact your weight loss goals. Remember, weight loss is a gradual process and it's important to be patient and consistent with your efforts. Set realistic goals and track your progress to stay motivated and make adjustments as necessary. Closing shot of the video shows the host standing in front of the whiteboard. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has provided you with some helpful tips on how to lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, Healthy Guide and Tips, for more informative videos on health and wellness.